What's the meaning of cleanup? Cleanup. Cleanup.
Clean up. Clean up. The term cleanup typically refers to the process of removing dirt, debris, or other unwanted substances from a particular area or object. This can involve activities such as sweeping, dusting, mopping, or wiping down surfaces to ensure they are free of contaminants. The goal of a cleanup is to leave the area or object in a pristine, hygienic condition, with no visible traces of dirt or mess. Successful cleanups can improve the overall cleanliness and safety of a space, and may also help to prevent the spread of germs or disease.